Welcome back to my channel. Um, just like I thought I was good at intros. Like I really thought I had something going with that. Welcome back to my channel. It's your Perry Chocolate Pineapple. Okay, Nerra Hazel. Wop wop wop. Watching that now, no. So I'm just gonna say.
Oh, I told you once, baby. I told you once what I know. You got to let it go. Yeah, pray for me cause I might forget to. Yeah, walking out but I won't forget you. Yeah, these pieces to the puzzle ain't connected. Yeah, I told you once but you ain't get the message. Yeah, now you ain't around, you just a...
Welcome back to my channel. I'm still trying to get into the rhythm, into the pattern of doing like a little intro saying for you guys, but I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. So today I'm just doing YouTube equipment unboxing. I had a few items to like help better my video experience, my video quality, the editing process. Yes, the editing process. Right? I have a couple little items, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just go unbox these items on camera for you guys. And before I get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and turn on post notifications for more stuff to come, because like I got this new equipment. So yes, the videos are coming, darling. The videos are coming. First box is iPod Touch. I never I never had an iPod Touch before. My aunt used to buy me like the little wannabe MP3 players from like grocery stores. That'd be like $10 to $15. Yeah. So I never had one. I got this because, as you know, I record off my phone, and like I need my music back, and I just want something like that I can keep specifically for recording until like I get a camera, until I get a laptop, so I get the other stuff that I want. Because if I'm vlogging and stuff, it's like you're recording off your phone, that kills your battery. So it's like I can't keep doing that, and I need my phone. I have to make calls, I have to text and stuff like that. Like, what if I get stranded somewhere and I didn't waste my whole battery on vlogging? So that's why I have this here. But we're just gonna open that up. All right, let's peel this off. Now I got to excuse you. Thank you. All right, I got to say, this is kind of beautiful. It's kind of beautiful. It's not as red as I thought it was gonna be. I was about to say, is this on? I'm retarded. Oh, I didn't know it had a glare. But yeah, it's not as red as I thought it was gonna be. We're gonna take out the packaging. This packaging. The fucking. Oh shit's falling out. Shit's falling out. Shit's falling out. How I get it? So I got it off the top, but like, how I get off of this? Cause that's the most important thing. Do I gotta? This is why you don't give generic techno. Oh, this is. Oh, look at that! Look. Bam. That's beautiful right there. Now, does it fall out? Like, watch me fucking break this. No, I didn't break. This is small. Like, this is my hand. This is the thing. Like, my hand, the iPod Touch. This is my name in the back. This is my name in the back. This is my name in the back. That's a, where can I get like some? That's a Nerra Hazel. It's a Nerra Hazel right there. It's a Nerra Hazel right there. Where's the other thing? Okay. So we got past the fake screen. Let's get into this. Designed by Apple in California. What is this? Sleep wake. Why is this protected? Oh, it's the sticker. Who's gonna put that on anything? Not me. It's the thing about it being a product, right? So this is what pissed me off about it. They give you the cord, right? The cord. And they give you earphones, which I needed. That's another thing I got this is because it's hard to find the earphones for the, like, I believe it's the iPhone 7 and up. They don't have the regular earphone jack, and it's hard to find earphones for those. And of course you can always do Bluetooth and stuff. Like, I have fake AirPods, but I don't like them. I like wire on mine. It's easier for me to keep track of them, and it's hard to find really like good earphones for that phone. So I can play music on the iPod Touch, and then I have these to listen to. There's no charger thing in here. Charger. This is my second box. My second package. It's from Five Below. It's not an Apple product because we don't have multiple Apple products money. That's what we don't have. We got the aux cord. Is this the right color though? This is the aux cord. Is this the right color? I don't even know what color this is supposed to be. Is this black? No, this is like gray. I know I wanted black or red for this because this would go with iPod. So no, I probably wanted red because I did get red because I wanted black at first because I was thinking about my phone, but I was like, no, this is plugged into the iPod. This is like gray. This ain't it. This ain't right. Oh, look at this little tripod. Little tripod stand. See? This is red because it goes with the iPod. See? It goes with the iPod. Yeah, it's not really much. It's not big, but yeah, I figured this was just better instead of just walking around like, hey guys, vlogging. What's up, guys? Yeah. The last box, the most heavy duty box. It contains a ring light. I've been wanting to get a ring light for like a while. I even was thinking about making like the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store ring lights like people make on TikTok. I'm like, I don't know how sturdy that is, and I wanted something that can hold my phone while recording. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to get like the small one or like the big one, and we're about to see which one I. Yeah. I really decided it's big because it's not the ring light I have a here, but yeah, that's you never know. Because this is what else did you notice? I have money on unboxing. This is a YouTube Christmas box. As you probably tell, when Christmas came, well, never go by. When Christmas time came around, I was definitely one of those destructive, open present children. Yeah. What's this on the side? Oh, it's another little box. It's another little box in the big box. Is this a little box? And there's another little box. Okay, so what's this? Oh, some other stuff on the side. What this is? I think this is the stand. Oh, this got. Oh, this is the stand for it. It's kind of. Okay, I need Jesus. Yeah, but yeah, this is a stand. I heard something loose, but I think it's just that, like, you know, hitting each other. Because I don't think there's anything I need to put together with this. Oh, here's your little nuts and bolts and crooks and totes. And so this is the part my phone would go on. I don't know what you are. You look important. The little Bluetooth thing. Pow pow. Pow pow. Quick. Pow pow. Pow. Imagine my phone starting to take pictures because I'm pressing that. It's a good thing that's not connected. This is the ring light. This packaging, I like this little bag right here. This right here is beautiful, my guy. I like this bag. This is the ring light. Look at me admire the bag. It's just the bag. Fuck the ring light. The bag. Nice. Alright. That's the end of my video. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but I'm gonna upload it soon because I need to get more videos out for you guys to reach that 23 videos in 2020 because I'm 23 years old in 2020 goal. So yes, just go ahead and like this. Leave comments down below. It means so much when I read two people that I know comments. I would like more from you guys. Just saying. Yeah, have a good day. Welcome back. What the fuck is this? Welcome back. Oh, baby. Here it is. Baby. Here it is. Oh, look. Bam. This reminds me of flip phones, you know. Oh, shit. You know, and just. Who you talk to? Bam. Just hang up with it. No, I'm not. I'm not breaking.
Yeah, now you ain't around, you just a blessing. Yeah, and now you walk around with these confessions. Yeah, you was never real, I should've guessed it. Yeah, moving on is part of the progression.